Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the radio exists and is allowed to run. On Windows, open Device Manager and Settings Bluetooth and Devices. On Linux, run rfkill list and lsusp to spot the adapter. On Mac OS, check System Report Bluetooth. Once done, make sure any physical switch or airplane mode isn't blocking radio power. This step shows whether the problem is software or missing hardware, so you know if you must restart services, update drivers, or replace a dongle. Next, revive the radio by restarting services and refreshing drivers. On Windows, restart Bluetooth support service and use Device Manager to update or roll back the driver. Reinstall the vendor driver if issues persist. On Linux, run sudo systemctl restart Bluetooth and sudo rfkill unblock Bluetooth, then check journalctl for clear error messages. On Mac, reset Bluetooth in the debug menu. Doing this addresses firmware, driver conflicts, and temporary hangs. Finally, validate functionality by pairing a simple, known good device and exercising the radio. Transfer a file or stream audio. If pairing fails, run the OS troubleshooter, Windows, or reboot into safe mode on Mac OS to eliminate software conflicts. Make sure BIOS wireless options aren't disabled and try a different USB port or external Bluetooth dongle to rule out internal hardware failure. One key tip: if the radio remains off, inspect for a physical kill switch or BIOS disable. Those are often the hidden cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.